Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. So, I watched a video earlier today, and I got inspired by it. It was by Ramy RC. He and Tyler Perry were flying a Pilatus PC-24, and I thought it was a very good-looking jet there. So I fired up my old Fusion 360 and decided to go ahead and model one, start modeling it. And so here it is. And let's go ahead and turn on the canvases so we have a look at it. So I got a few more things to do to it, area up here and this area down here. And this here, what I decided to do was scale this to a size where it can be 3D printed. Well, the internals and everything has to be worked out on it, but I thought it was such a good-looking jet that I went ahead and did this today. And this here, I forget what I scaled it to the size, so I'm going to just go ahead and see what it actually is again here. And excuse background noise, it's my printer printing. Let's see, I'm going to just put a line here, just create a sketch. And just put a line here. And then do another line. And let me see. Okay. So this is looks to be about 2.2 meters long. Okay, so I scaled it to this morning. So yeah. So anyway, I went ahead and did this, and like I said, I'm going to make this 3D printable, and I'm actually going to make molds of this too, and have all that stuff available. The molds will be available first over on my my Patreon site, CAD Build Fly RC. The molds for this, the files, so you can 3D print the molds. And then later on, I'll be doing the internal structure and everything to make this a 3D printable and flying airplane or jet. And I just thought it was a good looking jet after I saw Ramy's RC and Tyler Perry flying that one. It was really nice looking. So I fired this up, and like I said, it's going to be over there on my Patreon site as soon as I'm done doing some more modeling to this. And also, for those of you who do not want to be able to purchase the files and stuff like that when this is available, I'm going to teach you guys how to model this jet also in my upcoming video. One of my upcoming videos. I got a few more models to get to, and then I'll be getting to this and show you guys how to do that. And so, yeah. But also, for those of you who are members of my Patreon site, also the paying members, you can get this files. I'll have this file here available probably this evening if you want to see this and work on it on your own as is. So, yeah. But anyway, I just wanted you guys to have a look at what I did today after seeing Ramy's Pilatus and how it flew and everything. It looked really good. And let's see here. I want to look at a couple of more things. And I want to see what airfoil I used for this, because I used an actual airfoil. Okay, this is the airfoil that I used. Okay. So yeah, but anyway, that's going to do it for this little short video. I just want to show you guys what's up and coming on the channel, design-wise, and what can be purchased in the future. Also, the molds will be, like I said, you can purchase the molds, or you can purchase the 3D printable files for this once I'm complete designing this. And as far as the molds for this, I would say the molds for this will be available probably about a week or so. I got a few more things to wrap up, and then I'll go ahead and make the molds for this, the 3D printable molds. So those will be available to you from the guys who want to make this out of fiberglass and stuff. Okay, so that's going to do it for this video here. And yeah, so we'll catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.